Welcome to today's unboxing video, and for this I'm unboxing this Lasfit Pro LED lighting kit. This company reached out to me to install an LED kit on my G35 Coupe, and I've been wanting to update the light look and output of the car for a while now. I'm just running the stock HIDs in it. It's 2006. So it has a stock HID D2S bulb, I believe it is, and they reached out to me and I said, yeah, definitely. I've been definitely considering LED kits for a while now, or just getting a different HID, like a different Kelvin whatever bulb. But I was like, yeah, definitely, I would love to install an LED kit. So here it is. All right, so as soon as we open the box, got the product manual. I did already open this and go through it, so that's why it's kind of all, jumbled up. But got a couple stickers, all colors, super nice. Definitely gonna put one of those on. Lasfit Elite Club. Ooh. Just a bunch of information on it. Free 30-day return. There's warranty information on here and at the website as well. And then here it is. Here's the kit. And guys, this thing, oh, it looks so nice. It's very high quality. Very, I was very impressed with how great this stuff looks. And if you guys are wondering, this is 100% plug and play. There's no wire cutting, splitting, soldering, whatever. 100% plug and play. Here's the LEDs themselves, and God, that just looks amazing. Very, very happy with this. I did look up videos on how to install these kits already. It seems simple enough. I will be attempting the install after this and recording that whole process for everyone. I believe the light output on these, I think on the manual it said these were 6,000 to 6,500 K Kelvin, which should be like a really nice, cool, bright white with maybe a hint of blue. I know the LED bulbs I have in my car right now for like the interior, my reverse lights, etc., those type bulbs, those are all 6K. And it's like a super bright white, whereas my interior lights though are a 6K, but they have a hint of blue. So that's what I'm assuming these are. It's going to be a very nice, cool white, just very nice updated, look. Because you see a lot on these new cars now. All those lights, their headlights are super bright white, hint of blue. Even some are blue, and then I'll be able to compare the light output of these compared to my stock HID lights, which I think my stock HIDs I've read are anywhere from like 45 to 4800K, I think. Which, going off of color-wise, I know my headlights have a white with a hint of blue as of now, so my lights could have a different bulb. I'm not sure, but I'll do a comparison of the light output, brightness, all that. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a little quick unboxing of this awesome product, and a link will be in the description for everything. And definitely check them out if you're looking into converting your headlights over to LED. Super easy kit. Very happy.